Indian government has decided to build new airstrip at Minicoy Islands and upgrade the airstrip at Agatti Islands, with plans to station destroyers and submarines at INS Jatayu. The DRDO will hand over 2 TAPAS drones to the Indian Navy for trials in the Andaman and Nicobar Island, after which the Navy is expected to order 12 units. Gas Turbine Research Establishment has issued tenders for the supply of 260 advanced afterburner components made from advanced metal alloys that will be used for the fabrication of afterburner for the cavalry engine. Indian Army Chief engaged in high-level discussions with the Chief of Staff of the US Army and other senior military leaders. India and the UAE have signed a pact for quickly operationalizing the India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor, which is seen as a crucial alternative to China's Belt and Road Initiative. Indian Navy's P-8I long-range maritime patrol aircraft and the French Atlantique II aircraft undertook combined maritime exercises over the Bay of Bengal. The European Union is proposing sanctions against 3 Chinese companies and 1 Indian company as part of its latest efforts to disrupt Russia's military operations. Boeing is looking to increase sourcing of aerostructures for its T-7A Red Hawk aircraft from Indian companies. An Indian Army soldier has developed a multi-purpose octocopter which can undertake surveillance operations. It can also be used for dropping grenades, engagement of aerial targets with AK-47 rifle, and even logistics operations. The Ministry of Defence has signed a 1,752 crore rupees contract with Advanced Weapon Equipment India Limited for the manufacturing and supply of 463 indigenously built 12.7mm stabilized remote control guns for the Indian Navy and the Indian Coast Guard. This contract will also open up a large avenue in defence manufacturing for over 125 Indian vendors over a period of 5 years, as it will have an indigenous content of more than 85%. The Indian Army has conducted successful trials of the improved version of the Nag anti-tank guided missile from the Namaku anti-tank tracked armoured vehicle at the Pokhran field firing range. The upgraded Nag ATGM belongs to the 3rd generation and offers advantages in accuracy, lethality and countermeasure resistance compared to its predecessor. The indigenous tracked armoured vehicle boasts a crewless turret capable of launching 6 Nag missiles. India had docked its INS Karanj submarine to Colombo port recently, and while the official purpose was said to be refueling and restocking, but there is a speculation that it was tasked to monitor the activities of the Chinese research vessel. A submarine operating near the Chinese vessel could disrupt water currents, affecting the validity of the samples collected by China. Chinese vessel using electromagnetic sensors and acoustic sensors for research will also be affected with the presence of submarine. Boeing's vice president has revealed that several C-17 operators, including India, have shown interest in purchasing more C-17 aircraft. The renewed interest from existing operators and the potential for a combined order from new countries offer a glimmer of hope for resumption of production line that will provide a much-needed boost to the Indian Air Force. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.